Welcome to our channel. You already have this app and you are not using half of it. Open the CapCut and click on Create New Project. You will see the interface like this. I will show you the AI free features inside the CapCut. Feature 1 is AI Auto Captions. Click on Text on top left panel. You will see the option of Auto Captions here. Select it. A woman in white dress sitting in front of laptop and talking with a friend. She waved her hand to say hi. She is also drinking a glass of water and said, thumbs up. AI generated the captions in no time. You can select the colors and styles for your captions according to your choice. I kept the text alignment in the middle. You can also edit or delete the captions and change the wording of captions by selecting the text and correct the errors or spellings. Next feature is AI background removal. Import any image or video clip on timeline. Click on Video tab on top right menu. Select the Remove BG option. Click on Auto Removal. AI will automatically remove the background. Look at the before and after results of images. Feature 3 is AI text-to-speech. This one's built right into the timeline. Type your script, pick a voice from the library, dozens of languages and accents, and it generates a full voiceover directly in your project. For quick drafts, rough cuts, or when you just need something fast, it's already there and it's free. I write some lines and select the voice from library and then click on Generate. It gives resource according to our desire. Feature 4 is Image Resolution Enhancer. Import any image to timeline. Click on Video tab on top right corner. Click on Basic. Move down and see the specifications. You can change the image quality to make it better. This feature is genuinely useful for old family photos, screenshots, or any image that just isn't quite good enough to use as is. Feature 5 is AI Face Editor. Click on Video and select Retouch. You will find the options for face enhancement. Just click on Face and Auto Styles. Select the face according to your choice. This one's for talking head content. Smooth skin, adjust expressions, even restore old damaged photos. Use it lightly. Overdo it and it looks artificial fast. But for small natural touch-ups, it works well. Free versus paid summary. 4 of these 5 features work fully on the free plan. The only real limits are on clip length for background removal and higher volume AI generation, both of which leave behind CapCut Pro at around $8 a month. For everyday content creation, the free tier genuinely covers you. If you liked our content, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.